I thought that I would need the BHRT because I came in for weight loss, and I spoke to one of the girls here and she suggested that, and I said, okay, I'll try it. And which actually worked out to be great, because I think that if I hadn't have done that, I wouldn't have lost any weight at all. So that being said, it was like the whole package. Then the weight loss came after the BHRT. BHRT totally changed my whole life. Starting from feeling energy, feeling happy, feeling myself again, and also changed my life just 100% total 360. One, I was myself again. I had that energy. I was happy. I was motivated. My joints used to ache a lot, and that went away. I had migraine headaches. All that went away. I had insomnia for more than 10 years. I couldn't sleep. I was restless, and that was causing so much depression and anxiety. All that went away. I mean, I can't tell you guys what every symptom that I have, because I had it all. Last one was my relationship with my husband. BHRT totally saved our marriage. There was feelings that I just didn't love my husband. I really did not feel anything for him. I was almost like running from him. I didn't want to be around him. I was mean. I felt total out of love with him. And I did at one point even ask for a divorce. And he was so sad. He just didn't know why. And I couldn't. Then after the BHRT, something came upon me and I just missed him. That's the first feeling that I got, is that I missed him. I had forgotten how much I loved him. That love came so strong that I just wanted to be next to him. I was texting him, I was calling him, I was doing special things. I was even asking him on dates, and he didn't know what was going on because I was so clingy, like annoyingly clingy. And then the rest, he just didn't know what was happening to me. He thought it was just like a momentary, like, what's going on with you? He's already seen me in my crazy moment. Should I be worried about this? But no, ever since then, I totally fell in love with him. And even till now, I am happy, he is happy, and we're living our best life. I don't know, I just look forward to seeing him every minute that I could. Yes. So that is a game changer, besides all the extra beautiful things that happened before. Dr. Jetta is one of the most amazing doctors that I have met. Hands down, he's my favorite person, and I almost feel like we have like this relationship where I can tell him anything, everything. I feel like he knows my whole life. He is so understanding. He is straight up will tell you how it is. He will not pressure you. He will not push you to, oh no, you have to get this, you have to. No. What I loved about him and what got me to do my BHRT was he did not pressure me. He made sure that I was comfortable, that he took anxiety away from me. And yes, the most important thing to Dr. Jetta is that you feel at ease and that you feel that trust, and that you are calm and sure about the procedure. And that is what just got me hooked. And his personality, he has an amazing personality. What can I say? I did tell Dr. Jetta, you don't ever move. And if you move, I will fly to you. I will go find you under the rocks. I love him, and I am so grateful for him. He's such an amazing, humble person that totally understands a woman. And he always finds the time. He'll work around you, and he's always so concerned that I always get my pellets, whether it's in this location, in the other location. He's just amazing, and he's such a caring person. He's like my buddy that I could never live without. He totally gave me my life back. I just wish every woman, person out there would seek him, because I promise you, you will never, ever be disappointed. If anything, you will get your life back and more. I do get emotional when it comes to him.
He's so sweet.
It was almost like a miracle, like right when I was ready to give up on life, it's just, I found him there. I just don't want to lose him. I have been on all 3 locations due to, I started at Tempe, is where I met Dr. Jetta. And then this location when I needed to get my pellets done. And then I did move to Phoenix. So I did see the other site as well. As far as the staff, they are so amazing. They are so amazing, and they are always there to help you. They listen to you. That is how I came across Dr. Jetta in the first place, because I'm weighing myself and I'm ready to start another round. And that is how my conversation started with the medical assistant. And she's the one that steered me that way. And because I was already feeling that way, that's how I came about. And I have made so many friends.
Yeah.
A lot of them, I can say that I probably miss them because I haven't seen them. It's almost like a relationship that you build with every single one of them. They are all unique, they're all special, they all give you advice, so you get it from everywhere. I mean, self-esteem. Yes, so informative. They have so much information to give you and tools to continue your journey. So my husband was skeptical, only because he has seen me go through so many doctors, so many different types of other therapies. So when he saw effects, he noticed them immediately. And he is, I'm telling you, my first pellets, my first session with the pellets, he was afraid they were gonna run out. Sorry. He was so afraid that, so when is it time to go? When is it time to go? And then I'm thinking, my gosh, poor thing thinks that it's like Jekyll and Hyde, before it.
Husband's own.
Yes, like before yeah. So he was always checking up. Is it time? Is it time? And then the second one. And so now he's the one that's keeping tabs on me. And how are you feeling? And to be honest, I thought that after the pellets, it could be 3 months, it could be 4 months, depending on the person, but you don't get that full blown of bad effects. It's really gradually.
Yeah.
It's very gradual. So yes, my husband is forever grateful.
Yeah.
Yes, absolutely.
So
Absolutely.
I would recommend it.
I would recommend BHRT 100%. It is life-changing. It is so worth it. Every single step of the way.
You feel supported.
I feel supported. I feel supported. It is so worth it. Every single step of the way. I had heard about BHRT because I have been searching for something of relief. It was only until I came to Valley Medical Weight Loss that I heard about it. And the first time that I knew about it was when I spoke to Dr. Jetta, and he explained the whole what it is. But I have never looked anywhere else, and I never will, because this is home for me. This is the place. The experience was amazing. It was worth it all. I do have to say that it's so important for a woman to have her hormones balanced for so many reasons. Health-wise, it is very important in so many ways. Your health, your relationship, and it could be your relationship with your husband, and even if with your children, even with everyone around you. Because if you're feeling a certain way, they all notice it. And I feel like if you're happy, everyone's going to be happy. I know that there's not much said about menopause, and there's not a certain age, because it's possible. It's possible, and my whole motto here is listen to your body. Only you know your body. So when you're experiencing all these symptoms, listen to them, seek help, or with the professional or with Dr. Jetta for this part, and you will get your answers, versus having to be jumping around, being discouraged, because that just brings more depression, more anxiety, and more unwanted feelings that you do not need.